Welcome to the dojo, everybody. Today we're going to talk about one of the most famous scientists of all time, Albert Einstein. You may know him from his famous equation E equals mc squared, or what's called his theory of relativity. But did you know that Einstein was also what they call a pantheist? First, let's define what is meant by pantheism. Simply put, pantheism is the belief that the universe and everything in it is divine. It's different from traditional theism, which sees God as a separate entity from the world, or from atheism, which denies the existence of any divine being. Pantheism holds that the universe is God, and that everything in it is a manifestation of that divinity. For Einstein, pantheism was a way of reconciling his scientific work with his spiritual beliefs. He was fascinated by the laws of the universe and saw them as evidence of a grand, unified system. In a letter to a friend, he wrote, "Everyone who is seriously involved in the pursuit of science becomes convinced that a spirit is manifest in the laws of the universe." This belief in a universal spirit influenced Einstein's scientific work in several ways. For one, it gave him a sense of awe and wonder at the workings of the universe, because he saw beauty and elegance in the mathematical equations that describe the laws of physics and felt that they revealed something profound about the nature of reality. Einstein's pantheistic beliefs also influenced his ideas about the interconnectedness of all things. He believed that everything in the universe was connected in some way and that each part was necessary for the functioning of the whole. This idea can be seen in his theory of relativity, which shows that space, time, and matter are all intimately linked. But perhaps the most famous example of Einstein's pantheism comes from his quote, "God does not play dice with the universe." This statement, often misinterpreted as a belief in a personal God, actually reflects Einstein's belief in a unified, deterministic universe. He saw the laws of physics as fixed and unchanging, and believed that everything in the universe was predetermined by these laws. Of course, not everyone agrees with Einstein's pantheistic beliefs. Some people argue that it's illogical to equate the universe with God, or that it's a form of spiritual bypassing that ignores the problems and suffering in the world. Others see pantheism as a cop-out, a way of avoiding the difficult questions about the meaning of life and the nature of existence. But for Einstein, pantheism was a deeply held belief that gave him a sense of purpose and meaning. He saw the universe as a grand, interconnected system and felt that his scientific work was a way of uncovering its mysteries. In his own words, "I believe in Spinoza's God, who reveals himself in the lawful harmony of the world, not in a God who concerns himself with the fate and the doings of mankind." So there you have it, a brief introduction to Albert Einstein and pantheism. Whether you agree with his beliefs or not, there's no denying that Einstein was a brilliant scientist who saw the universe in a unique and profound way. And who knows, maybe his pantheistic beliefs will inspire a new generation of scientists to see the beauty and interconnectedness of the world around us. Thanks for dropping by the dojo, everybody. If you like this video, you might just like this one here because I worked really hard on it, and it's a good video. I think you should check it out. Go ahead, click on it. I've got time. I got nothing going on. Go ahead, click on it. Check it out. Cool.